Hi guys, this is Ice King, back again with another video. Do you wanna know how I made my URL from this to this? Then you've come to the right place, because in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to make a custom URL using Android phone right now. Ice King. So guys, grab your phones and then go directly to your YouTube site using Google Chrome. And make sure that it is set on desktop mode. When all is set, just click your profile and then go to your channel. After that, just select YouTube Studio. On your lower left corner, you will see a settings tab. Just select that one. And next, select channel. And then select feature eligibility. And on the corner you will see status and features. Select that one. And right here will be your custom URL. For that, just select enable. Next, we select this one. And then of course, tick the box. After that, this button right here. And then finally this one. And that's it. You have a custom URL. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming life hacks and tutorial videos. Thank you.